Hey guys, welcome to Lichamae Homemade. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we blinged out these numbers. First, I got a 40, a 4 and a 0 from Hobby Lobby, as you can see, and I brought this adhesive diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree. This is a cheaper alternative to buying it or from buying it from Hobby Lobby or online. These were $1 for this 6" by 10" square of diamond wrap. So the colors that I am using are gold and purple. So you are going to need, I bought 10 of these. 10 of each. 10 gold, 10 purple. I want to buy enough just so you don't have to go back to the store and God forbid that there aren't any left. So with the number 4, you can see I have already done the front of the face of the 4. I will be showing you how we are going to do the back of the number 4. I added a little, I did something different, and I did an outline with the purple, and I did the inside with the gold, and then even I lined the inner lining of the number 4. And it was very simple. Alright, I also did the outline of the 0 in the inner part of the 0. So we're going to work on this part, the face, the front, and the back. All right, so let's get to it. So materials that you will need include a pair of scissors, adhesive diamond wrap, your number or numbers, and some glue, and this is optional. Okay, so first we're going to start on the number 4. I'm going to go ahead and get my gold adhesive diamond wrap. We're going to count out the number of diamonds that I'm going to need to fill in this space, and we're going to cut it. So let's go ahead and open up our diamond wrap. Let's go ahead and figure out how many diamond rows we need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is going to do us right. So we're going to go where we stopped. Recount it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we're going to make our first cut right there. Okay? And what you want to do is, because it's going to be the same thing on each side, on the sides pretty much. So what I would do or recommend to do is count another 11 and cut that out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Take my scissors. We're going to cut there. So now I have 2 rows of the gold diamond wrap. Okay, so here is our zero completed. I put all of the rhinestones around the curve the best that I could. Here's how it looks. Here's the other side. Here is the 40, the 4 and the 0 together. Now I do have to make a confession. This actually was an H that I converted into a number 4. So this 4 looks bigger than the 0. That's probably why it looks bigger. But anyway, there are a few things I would have done differently. Like for instance, I am going to be gluing the bottom part onto something. So I left the bottom part without rhinestones on the number 4, but I forgot to do that on the 0. So I am going to have to take a little bit of that rhinestone off so we can be working with a flat surface. Anyway, this is how it turned out. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. I love that I did the purple outline on the 4. And then I brought over here with the purple siding for the 0. It looks very beautiful, very blingy. I cannot wait to get it on the table and decorate it, or sit it up to decorate. For watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.